Hello everyone, and welcome to this video presentation. Today we'll explore a comparative analysis of two major deep learning architectures, the convolutional neural networks or CNNs and recurrent neural networks for RNNs. So instead of just asking which model is more accurate, we'll dig deeper why they perform differently. To do that, we'll use the powerful lens of automata theory and computational complexity. So, in our abstract, this paper presents a comparative analysis of two widely used deep learning architectures, convolutional neural networks or CNNs and recurrent neural networks or RNNs. Both have achieved remarkable success in fields such as image recognition, action detection, and human activity recognition. CNN are well known for excelling in image recognition and pattern detection, while RNNs are widely used for language, speech, and time series tasks. On the surface, these solve different problems, but there's a deeper theoretical explanation behind their differences. So, by comparing them to automata models, we see that CNNs resemble finite state automata, fast but memoryless, and RNNs resemble push-down automata or even Turing-like machines, powerful but complex. This framing helps us understand not just their achievements but also their natural limitations. So next is the introduction, the need for a theoretical lens. So over the last decade, artificial intelligence has expanded at an incredible rate, with deep learning models breaking new performance records in a wide range of applications. CNNs, particularly recurrent neural networks, RNNs, have emerged as important tools for image classification, video analysis, and human activity recognition. So most of the time, CNNs and RNNs are judged by benchmarks like ImageNet accuracy or sequence prediction scores. While useful, this only tells us who wins and not why. For example, CNN succeeds in recognizing special features but fail with sequences. RNNs excel at sequences but struggle with scalability rather, and training stability. To go beyond these surface level comparisons, we need a format framework, and that's where automata theory comes in. For the automata theory, okay, theoretical framework, a primer on computational models. To compare CNNs with RNNs using a formal lens, a basic understanding of automata theory and computational complexity is required, which are two cornerstones of theoretical computer science that characterize the capabilities and limitations of various computing systems. At the heart of automata theory is a hierarchy of abstract machines, each with a distinct level of processing capability. Automata theory describes different computational models, each with unique strengths. Finite state automata recognize regular patterns but have no memory. Push-down automata add stack memory for nested structures, and Turing machines can simulate any algorithm. So, though they also face undecidable problems. Alongside this, computational complexity help us classify problems by difficulty. Some can be solved efficiently in P, or others are harder in NP, and some are undecidable. So together these concepts give us the language to compare CNNs and RNNs in a structured way. Now, let's move for the comparative analysis of AI architectures. So, to appreciate the practical benefits and theoretical constraints of neural architectures such as CNNs and RNNs, we must look at them as computational models with formal capabilities and boundaries rather than just engineering solutions. So for the 4.1 CNNs, the strength of efficiency, finite state automata, CNNs are excellent at detecting local patterns like edges, textures, shapes. They work much like state automata, so scanning inputs step by step without needing memory of what came before. So this makes them very efficient and scalable, perfect for large image datasets, but their limitation is clear. They cannot capture long-range dependency or sequences, just like finite automata cannot recognize nested structures. For the subsection 4.2, RNNs by contrast are built for sequential data. Their hidden states give them a memory-like capability, allowing them to capture dependencies across multiple time steps. This makes them similar to push-down automata, which can handle nested and context fixed patterns. But this power comes with challenges. RNNs often face training difficulties such as vanishing or exploding regions, and their computational complexity is much higher than CNNs. So for the subsection point 3, the strength of strategic depth toward hybrid CNN RNN models. So while SNNs and RNNs have distinct theoretical strengths, CNNs excel at efficient local feature extraction and RNNs at sequential modeling. Many real-world problems require both spatial and temporal reasonings. Video analysis is a prime example, requiring CNNs to process individual frames, spatial data, and RNNs to capture motion and temporal progression. Some tasks like video analysis require both spatial and temporal reasoning. Hybrid CNN and RNN architectures combine the efficiency of CNNs with the sequential power of RNN. So, from an automata perspective, this moves them closer to Turing-like systems, capable of more complex reasoning, but the drawback is that these hybrids are harder to train and often very computationally expensive. So for the section 5, as it is synthesize a framework for comparison. To summarize, CNNs and RNNs occupy different places in the computational hierarchy. So CNNs are efficient finite state machines, excellent at local recognition, but limited in memory. RNNs are more powerful. This synthesis makes it clear that no single architecture is universally optimal. Instead, their computational alignment determines what they are inherently suited to do well and what they will inevitably struggle with, regardless of empirical performance. As AI continues to evolve, a deeper understanding of these foundational principles will be essential not only for building better models but also for interpreting their behavior, limitations, and rest. In this research, I am to better understand the strengths and limitations of convolutional neural networks or CNNs and recurrent neural networks RNNs by applying automata theory and computational complexity. Instead of depending solely on benchmarks or performance measurements, I wanted to understand the deeper reasons for their behavior. By translating CNNs to finite state automata, I discovered why they excel at efficient local pattern recognition while failing to capture long-range relationships. By comparing RNNs to push-down automata, I discovered that their memory-like structure offers them a clear edge in sequence modeling, albeit at the expense of training issues and computational complexity. And that's all for my position paper. Thank you for watching.